Hey guys, it's Regina from How to House. I don't know about you, but whenever I deep clean my house, there are certain spots that always get overlooked. These are the most common ones. First, let's start with your kitchen. Have you ever caught a glimpse of the top of your fridge? How about underneath or behind? Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not there. My first tip is making sure you clean all of these surfaces. A little maintenance now could save on repairs down the road. All right, hear me out on this next one. You occasionally need to clean your cleaning supplies. Think about your broom. If you don't clean your broom, you're basically just moving around dirt at some point. So, to clean it, you take a paper towel, pull off as much dirt and dust as you can. Next, you put your broom in hot soapy water, and you're gonna wanna let this soak for a while. After it's done soaking, you wanna take it to the sink to rinse it off and then let it dry. And as for towels and sponges, you can clean them as much as you want, but sometimes it's just best to replace them with new. Let's talk about the trash can. We throw trash in this all day long and rely on the trash bags to keep it fresh and clean. Let's be real, those bags can only do so much. So do yourself a favor and make it a habit to disinfect it every so often. Don't forget to clean your doorknobs and handles. To sanitize them, just hit them with a little disinfectant spray and wipe it down. This is probably one of the easiest cleaning habits you can take on. Also, your toothbrush holder. I think it goes without saying why this needs to be cleaned often, but I'm not sure why we're not used to doing it. Depending on the material, you can generally soak it in hot water and scrub it out with a little lemon juice to keep it really fresh. Much in the same vein of the doorknob, we touch our electronics and remotes almost every day, and we never really take the time to fully clean them. Let's be real. How many times have you cleaned your cell phone? We all need to be better about this one, myself included. To disinfect your phone, you should check your manual to see what you can use. Otherwise, a good rule of thumb is to use a damp microfiber cloth and just wipe. And to clean your remote, just lightly mist with some rubbing alcohol and clean it with a cotton ball. What forgotten places do you make a habit of cleaning? Leave your tips and tricks in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.